Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to add and verify a custom domain in Trimlink. To begin, open Custom Domains from the left sidebar. Select My Domains and click Add New Domain. The setup wizard will first ask whether your domain currently hosts a live website. Choose the option that best matches your existing domain setup. Then enter your custom domain and continue through the guided setup process. Trimlink will automatically provide the required DNS configuration based on the option you choose. If you're using our recommended Cloudflare Free SSL certificate option, your domain will first be verified. After verification is complete, Cloudflare will automatically begin issuing your free SSL certificate. This process may take a little longer before HTTPS becomes active on your domain. Copy the provided DNS records and add them to your domain registrar's DNS settings. This step is crucial for verifying your domain ownership. If you prefer to use your own SSL certificate, simply choose No for the free SSL option. Trimlink will provide the required A records, allowing you to configure DNS and install your SSL certificate manually. Because this process requires server and SSL configuration, we recommend having prior experience or working with your system administrator or web developer. Once you've completed the required DNS configuration, return to Trimlink and click Add Domain. After clicking Add Domain, Trimlink immediately starts the verification process. Once verification is complete, your domain status changes to Verified, and your branded domain is ready to create secure shortlinks. If you're using Cloudflare, make sure your DNS records are set to DNS only by turning proxy off until verification has completed. Once your domain is verified, you can safely enable the proxy again. Once verification is complete, your domain status changes to Verified. Also, if you selected the free SSL option, Cloudflare will automatically begin issuing your free SSL certificate. This process may take a little longer before HTTPS becomes active on your domain. That's it. Thanks for watching, and visit trimlink.ai for more tutorials and documentation.